Phases of the New Martian Exploration Roadmap, 2025-2100, a journey to make Mars our home away from home. The dream of colonizing Mars is no longer science fiction. Now humanity is at the cusp of transforming Mars into a habitable planet. But how do we transition the red, frozen dust ball to a prosperous settler colony? Here is an in-depth look at the new plan for Mars exploration, step by step. Stage 1. Robotic Exploration, Infrastructure Setup, 2025-2035. A foundation of work for human arrival. Mission goals. Target robotic missions for resource extraction and landing site mapping. What they really test. Life support systems for humans going forward. Deploy power systems such as nuclear reactors and solar farms. Key developments. NASA's Artemis program, SpaceX Starship missions start shipping cargo to Mars rovers will harvest water from ice deposits. The first successful Martian greenhouse trials to produce food. Major robots involved. Perseverance 2. Enhanced sample gathering, surface mapping. AstroBX. A self-repairing infrastructure robot made on Mars construction drones. AI-controlled 3D printing for habitats. Habitable modules will be ready by 2035, and Mars will no longer be a barren wasteland. Stage 2. The first human missions. 2035-2050. Humanity finally arrives on Mars. Mission goals. Settlements in modular habitats for permanent human habitation. 更多关于中文的信息. More about Chinese read from UN. Expand power grids and radiation shields. Key developments. Mars Base Alpha is constructed with underground tunnels for safety. Astronauts spend 500 Jaone there, then rotate back to Earth. Electrolysis decompose Martian water ice into oxygen. Innovations in technology. Farmers will have self-sustaining energy from nuclear, solar farms. They grow wheat, potatoes, and algae for food in AI-controlled farms. Suits on Mars light and flex. Who's involved? Collaborations among NASA, SpaceX, ESA, China's CNSA, and private companies. Advanced AI is used to plan the first cities on Mars. Mars will have a population of 5,100, living and working in research outposts by 2050. Stage 3. Further colonization, 2050-2080. From remote outposts to sprawling metropolises. Mission goals. Terraforming starts sheeting the world with greenhouse gases. So begins mass migration. Thousands of people transfer to Mars. Martian industries spring up. Factories constructing habitats, machines, vehicles. Key developments. The settlers live in domed cities or underground. Martian economy. A report on mining and tech exports. We learned that the magnetic shield generators cut down radiation. Terraform breakthroughs. Lakes and rivers generated using asteroids as redirected energy sources. Algae and bacteria introduced to passively produce oxygen. Nuclear explosions controlled for this purpose vaporize underground ice. In 2080, Mars boasts a population of well over 100, and the first children born on Mars are now grown up. Stage 4. The connection between Mars and Earth, 2080-2100. A robust, self-sustaining Martian civilization. Mission goals. Develop more rapid transportation to and from Mars. Organize a political system and economy on Mars. Terraforming that creates a fully breathable atmosphere. Key developments. When the Mars Loop space elevator occurs, resources are exchanged efficiently. Mars is a tourist destination, traveling there for science and adventure. Existing technologies are used to further develop new technologies. What's next? The interplanetary government between Earth and Mars. Mars is self-sustained and has cities, farms, industries, and culture. Beyond Mars, plans for explorations of moons of Jupiter and exoplanets start. However, by the year 2100, the tide has turned, and humans have even colonized Mars, proving that life beyond Earth does exist. Mars colony. The future of colonization. This is just the beginning. As AI, robotics, and space travel continue to evolve, Mars will be less colony and more home.